Today we will be looking at a 15-minute crypto trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 15-minute crypto trading strategy. So this particular strategy here, on the source video, it explained that this was a liquidity trading strategy. This particular strategy only consisted of one indicator, technically one indicator. It is the HTF liquidity indicator. You can see it here on screen. They go in and make a few changes to this indicator, the visual side of it, nothing to the inputs itself. Real quick, before we go any further to looking into this strategy, if you would, please give the video a thumbs up. Even if it's not a profitable strategy, please don't thumbs down the video. It hurts the YouTube algorithm and hurts the exposure that the video gets. So upvote this this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. That'll help the YouTube algorithm to get this video out to more people. Also, I did want to touch base real quick because of a recent comment. People ask why I show strategies when they're not a profitable trading strategy. And most of you who are viewers of the channel for any period of time, you'll already know the answer to this. But basically, I show the strategies and the indicators that I test, whether they're good or they're bad. Especially the strategies, because I test it and I want people to know whether or not the strategy is profitable. And if it's not profitable, that's just as important as if it was profitable. And since I'm testing it, I might as well share that with the viewers. So that way, if you land on a video that's claiming using the HTF liquidity is the best indicator to use, then quickly your spidey senses will start to tingle, and you'll know that here DP Roberts tested it and it didn't do too well. So maybe someone requesting you to pay money for a particular indicator similar to this, something along those lines. So it's just to help people spot what indicators and strategies kind of work and which ones don't. So anyways, back to the strategy here. So as I said, basically just using the HTF liquidity. Now it's an interesting indicator in itself because it is kind of in real time dynamically showing areas of support and resistance, areas of liquidity basically. It's a pretty cool indicator in itself. Highly recommend that you check it out because I do think the indicator has some value to it, just not used in this particular strategy here. So before we even look at the strategy, let's just go over the numbers real quick to see if it's even worth mentioning how the strategy works. So I did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades. We got 38 losing trades. And so even at the source videos suggested 1 to 2 risk reward, it obviously is not going to do very good. It's only around a 24% win rate. And so definitely not going to be a profitable trading strategy just using this in itself. And so essentially what we were doing was looking for daily areas of liquidity when that area was broke, and we would get a push in the opposite direction. Then you would take a trade, aim for the next daily liquidity to the upside or the downside, and you would target at least a 2-to-1 risk reward. And so, like I said, not very good on the win rate. I do think the indicator was cool, but not in this particular strategy here. So that's it for this strategy here. If you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have created here on the channel. I'll put up a thumbnail to it right now and link to it at the end of this video, so that way you can just click on that video and check out the strategy. It's a tested, proven, profitable strategy that we are constantly testing, optimizing, tweaking it to make it even better, small little changes here and there, and testing it on other markets and other Forex pairs and so on. And so we're also working on automating that, and that's something that the current Patreon members, once that is launched, if you are a Patreon member, then you will get a nice discount on that for being a Patreon member. So highly recommend you join our Patreon as well. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to go ahead and cut it here and move on to the next video from here.